Today is another very interesting, yummy recipe I'm sharing with you guys. It's a chicken creamy curry sauce. It's a nice one with vegetable, and you can pair it with steamed rice. So here I am preparing the vegetables I'll be using. I have onion, carrot, potato, green chili pepper, and I'm going to start with my sesame oil. So just let the pan get dry and a bit hot, then add a bit of sesame oil. Once the sesame oil is added, add your chopped onions. You chop your onions to your preferred size and shapes, however you like it. So let it stir fry for like 1 minute. Then I added my green chili pepper to it. It's optional if you don't want. It's not the very spicy um green chili pepper, which is actually very okay. Then you had your marinated chicken. I marinated my chicken, drumstick chicken, soft chicken, preferable. That's actually the best. I marinated a few hours before the actual cooking started. So once you marinate your chicken, just add it to it. Stir both together, stir them all together for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your curry. Remember, we are making creamy curry chicken sauce. So that is the base of it. Add your garlic powder. If you have the fresh one, that is perfect. Add your chicken powder as well. At this point, when you're adding the chicken powder, please do not add salt. At the end, when you taste it, then you will know if you're to add salt or not. A couple of bay leaves as well for flavor and good smell. So once you had it stir all together, at this point again, now we are going to add water to cook it, to cook the chicken. It's a drumstick chicken, which is actually tender. Is not as hard as the hard chicken, but we still have to add water in order to enable it to boil properly. So I'm going to close it up at this point and let it cook for like 7 to 10 minutes. Once that is done, on the other side, I'm making my steamed rice, which I'm going to be pairing with this creamy chicken curry sauce. So when it's about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes, it depends on how you will like your chicken. You don't want it to over soft. Add your potatoes and your carrot to it. So once you add your potatoes and carrots, give it a good stir again at this point. Let it cook on again. So this is the point we are going to add the cream. The cream, we are making cream chicken curry sauce. Very yummy, as you can see. From the beginning of the picture, I actually had it at the beginning. It's a very nice and yummy one. Once you give it a try, believe me, you're going to fall in love with this very nice recipe. And now I let the carrot cook for a while, and it's time for me to add my cream, double cream. Double cream from any store you can get, and now you're just going to stir. So it's actually a very easy recipe. Sometimes if you're from Africa, like where I'm from, Nigeria to be precise, sometimes you just want a change. You don't want pepper sauce all the time. You want something to spice up your cooking. You want something different. So this is a good one which you should give a try. You will love it when you give it a try. Now that the cream has been added, you let it cook on for like 5 minutes after that, and your chicken creamy combi sauce is ready. Pair it with steamed rice, and believe me, you're going to love it. It's a very delicious sauce. So this is the hand look you can see. This is my food, and I actually steam some vegetables to it. Remember to share my video with your friends and family and give me a thumbs up. Be nice, be kind. Thank you for watching.